Okay, so after you add the application you're looking for in businessapple.com, you're going to notice on the bottom right here that it is now given 50 licenses or whatever you assign on this part to Apple. So we usually do 50, just double what you already are using out there. Then you're going to go into Jamf and you're going to go into mobile device apps. And we already see we have a Zoom in there, but I want to go through the motions with you guys. So you're going to hit new. It's going to go next. And then you're going to go here and you're going to type the app we're trying to add. You'll notice that it's here, so I'm going to hit add. And what you want to do on here is always make it install automatically instead of available in self-service. So you want to install automatically on there. And then the only other things that you're going to look at is a lot of these apps, we don't need it to prompt the users for many things. Let's see. Make sure we got everything tethered on there. Everything else here looks good. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to call it Lloyd's, so we know which Zoom we're using. Category always goes to technicians. And let's go ahead our scope. All users, all devices. And then this one is important. Then you'll notice that it's using the licenses from DEP, which is Apple Business Manager. If you don't do this, it's going to ask you to do the actual code from iTunes, the username and password, and you don't need that. You want to do it this way. That's fine there. We're good there. Everything else looks good. So you're going to hit save. So now you'll notice that the app has been added. Now what we want to do is we want to go back to mobile devices. And let's look at apps. And there's Lloyd's, and you see it's licensed. The other ones don't say license. So you don't want to do it the other way. So we want to get rid of this one. Right here. Okay, so you'll notice that's how you want it to do, especially like fast field forms. If we look at the setup on this one and manage the distribution, and if that's not checked, it's not using it from Apple Business Manager, and they're always going to have to put in a username and password. As you guys can see, this isn't here to devices because we don't have it on DEP. So fast mobile forms, I can go back here and I can add a new one. That's what it was called. Pull it up. Fast field. There it is. Oh, it does says we have them in there. We didn't add the manage one like we are supposed to from the VPP codes. So we'll need to look at that, remove it, and re-add it later. But anyways, we know it's working, but we have the iCloud account on that. So I'll leave it alone for right now. But anyways, that's how you should do it. And then from here, you can just force a push of that up right away. So see who's got it. You could do that as well.